Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a poll when it comes to Slack. As you can see, we're on the Slack, and if I click on this plus button, there is nothing called polls over here. So what you need to do is scroll down under this app section and you need to click on add apps, and then you need to search for something that is called Polly, this one, and click on add. Wait for it to be loaded up. So this is the app that lets you create polls, but I'll show you just in a second how. So you're going to click on add to Slack, and we're going to wait for it to load up and then click on allow. So let it allow everything, and also choose which channel it is going for. Like for me, the space is team workflow. So this is where I'm going to be sending it to. As you can see, once it has loaded up, what you need to do is click on create a poly right over here, and then we're going to click on create new, and then let's say that your poll is best Harry Potter movie, and it's going to be a multiple choice. And then let's say that our first option is Chamber of Secrets. Next option is Goblet of Fire. Next option is Deathly Hallows Part 2. And then you can either choose if you want comments, multiple votes, they can add choices, things like that, if you want that to happen. And then we're going to click on send. So it's going to say which one do you want it to be sent to. Let's say that we want to be sent in these Google Drive files. So we're going to hit over send over here. And then it also shows there's a link. So just click on done. Now let's go to Google Drive files. As you can see, there is this best Harry Potter movie, and anyone can choose what option they want to, and it shows you what is the vote percentage, things like that. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.